Hey, this is Miss Sebastian, and today we're going to look at problem solving with equations. A customer at the grocery store purchased 27 apples and an unknown number of bananas. The customer purchased a total of 58 apples and bananas. So we know 27 apples plus a number of bananas gave us a total, remember total means to add, of 58. So I just found our equation here. And we need to find a solution. So the way we do that is we have to get rid of the 27 that's added by subtracting it from both sides. So 58 minus 27 gives us B equals 31. So they bought 31 bananas. That would be our solution. A candle decreases in height by 3 inches after burning and is now 9 inches tall. So it started out as, okay, it looks like we're using L. It decreases, meaning subtract, by 3, and it is now 9 inches. So L minus 3 equals 9. Okay, and then to solve, we have to add 3 to both sides. Over here it goes away, and 9 plus 3 is 12. So L equals 12. Okay. A bird built a nest out of sticks and twigs. The bird used 45 sticks and had a total of 120 twigs. Okay, so 45 plus that T gave us 120 because sticks plus twigs gave us 120. So 45 plus T equals 120. Okay, or T plus 45, same thing. Okay, now I'm going to rewrite it. Whoops. Okay, equals 120. So I have to get rid of this plus 45 by subtracting it from both sides. That way I can get T by itself. 120 minus 45 gives us 75. So T equals 75. So the bird collected 75 twigs. Employees at the car wash earned $8 an hour. An employee earned $168 last week. How many hours did the employee work? So we know 8 times however many hours they worked gave us 168. So to solve, all I have to do, the 8 is being multiplied by h, so to undo it, we divide both sides by h. I'm sorry, by 8. 8 goes into 16 2 times. 8 goes into 8 1 time. So h is 21. An elephant eats 1,200 pounds of food each month. A zoologist recorded that the elephant ate 600 pounds of food. Write an equation that represents this situation. How many months did the zoologist record data for? So we know that it's 1,200 per month. I'm going to call month M. And we know that they recorded 600. So that's going to be our equation. Whoops, equation. So to solve, we're going to have to divide both sides by 1,200. When I do this and I simplify that fraction, I get 1/2 or 0.5. A carpenter cut a board into 3 pieces of equal length. So 3 times something. Looks like we're using B for board. One of the pieces, whoops, let me clear this off. Okay, one of the pieces was 15.2 centimeters long. What was the length of the board? So we've got 15.2 is equal to the board divided into 3 pieces. Okay, so to solve, that means this is our answer. Okay, to solve, we're going to have to multiply by 3 because it's being divided right now. So to get rid of it, we need to multiply by 3. So when we multiply, we get 45.6 equals the length of the board. Okay, Mrs. Williams baked cupcakes for 4 parties. She baked 6 cupcakes for each party. Let n represent the number of cupcakes she baked. Okay, which equation represents this situation? So she baked n cupcakes for 4 parties. So they were split between 4 parties. Each one had 6. So we know that n divided by 4 equals 6 is our equation. Then, to solve, we have to multiply both sides by 4 because n is being divided by 4. So we need to get rid of it. So n can be by itself on the left side. 6 times 4 is 24. So n is 24. If you need additional help for this lesson, here are some videos.